So it's Dave with Snake River Rifle Works jumping back in here with part 3 for this little mini series on how to install some electric hand wheels on a Haas TL lathe. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here I removed all these bolts, and we got to remove this plate here. Spindle belt plate. Okay, so when we get into here, I'm going to go ahead and grab a flashlight real quick. Okay, so we're back with some light. So if you look all the way back in there, I have this Allen wrench that's in this hex key to remove a cover that I have to replace, and that's a 3/32 Allen wrench. So see if I'm multi-talented here. See if I can hold a flashlight, a phone, and do the job here. So we'll go ahead and remove this and come back to you. Hang on a moment. So now that we got the old set screw out, we have to replace it with this. We'll put in this cord and it'll stay in place with this block. And then we'll have to re-thread this screw in. So I'll go ahead and do that and get back with you.